I like to think that the vivarium is this beautiful gem in the crown that is F&M. So the vivarium here at Franklin and Marshall is a non-invasive research facility that focuses on animal behavior. We focus on positive reinforcement training, we focus on welfare and enrichment studies, best practice animal caretaking, and then of course behavioral observation. I think we're probably most famous for our 2 different colonies of tufted capuchin monkeys, but we also have your standard mice and rats. We have painted turtles, leopard geckos, zebra finches, and a long-term colony of male betta fish. So we have been doing hands-on experiential learning really well for the last 10 or 12 years at least. Because we're open to everybody on campus, students can really get what they want out of the experience. We have some students that just take classes that involve the animals, where you can either do lab work or independent or group research projects. It's a great way for students to have just a little bit more variety in their experience here at Franklin and Marshall, and that's the whole point of a liberal arts college. We have really extensive programming that is peer-to-peer mentoring. So we have a student team leader that's filled with student volunteers that come in and do everything from primate training using positive reinforcement to welfare and enrichment studies, where students are learning to watch animals, think of their welfare first and foremost, which is one of the things we focus on, and making sure that everything that we're providing to the animals is helping to promote natural behaviors for them. So we have a rat snuggling program here in the vivarium at F&M. We offer any student of interest to come down. They're taught how to properly pick up and handle our baby rats. It's fantastic for the rats. It's also really good for the students. Even though you're down here to try to help them, you also are getting a little serotonin boost by snuggling this little cute, fuzzy-bodied animal. We always make sure that we are going above and beyond here at F&M with the animals' care. We always focus on their welfare. Happy, healthy animals make for happy, healthy research critters. There is not another facility that offers undergraduate students that kind of hands-on experiential learning right from the moment they step onto campus. We also have paid positions, including paid caretakers that are made up of dedicated students who really want to take care of animals to the best of their ability, not only here at Franklin and Marshall, but as they continue out into their career, they want to know how they can take what they've learned here and use it out in their field. The caretakers are going to be responsible for a lot of different aspects of the facility. Not only just caring for the animals, but they're also responsible for the facility itself. So the students are not only making sure they're fed and they're happy and they're clean, but they're also making sure the facility itself is able to continue to do those tasks. Our caretakers are some of the best, whether they're paid or volunteer. They're here because they care, and they're here because they want to gain that experience. So my rule of thumb is always, as long as there's interest and as long as there's commitment, I'll do anything to make sure that you leave the vivarium with the experience that you want. So everything from feed the correct nutrition to primates, to learning the correct water temperature for animals like turtles and fish. The students have a wonderful relationship with them because they care so much. I think our biggest contribution to the F&M community is that we offer a one-of-a-kind experience that students at other colleges and universities are not able to get. The vivarium is one of the most unique aspects of Franklin and Marshall. Lots of places have sports teams, lots of places have clubs and activities, but most places do not have around 70 to 80 volunteer opportunities every single semester to anybody who's interested on campus. That is something that is very unique to us and us alone here at Franklin and Marshall. And as long as you're interested and committed, we make sure that you have the experience that you're looking for.